Now we are going to check the tactics and habits of our cat. As you can see, he's right here. Point to point transportation. And then he will come. He will stay there, watch, until he realizes I'm watching him. Oh no, he's coming. He's decided he wants to be a part of the journey. When I fed the chickens, he just stayed over there. And he just looks at me. He does the same with my dad. I'm interested to see how he acts. The cats put in his smell on you when they do like that. I mean, most people know that, but they rub their head and they rub their body against you. It makes them like you're their human now. When they do their little hands, they do the patty cakes because they used to do that on their moms whenever they were getting milk out. So they're like in a different part of their mind and they're relaxed and they're comfortable and they trust you, yo. They trust you, yo. Trust with a wild animal that you don't know, that you had to make friends with. It's very difficult to get. It takes a little bit of time, but it's worth it. I don't know where this cat came from. And of course, it's just a cat. But we've had this phenomenon happen before. We had this phenomenon happen with the turkeys. We had these turkeys come right over there. It was a mom. She had 7 baby turkeys. My dad's like, come out here and check this out.
You hear this? Are you okay? Look at his head. Maybe he's a dinosaur. Look at that. The sound that he makes comes all through the house. Hey, you alright? You cool? Look, hey, it's okay. Look, it's alright.
I'll be damned. And that turkey actually lived right alongside. We had 2 more chickens that we had, and we put them in the cage out there. We had the cage a little closer up, and we put some food for her in between in that little bowl right there, and she would eat it. And she would talk to us, and we would talk to her, and it was fucking cool as shit. It felt like a little piece of heaven was, coming down and touching me right on my face. And now we're going to mess with his mind. He's like, huh? What you talking about? What?